Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send a photo as a file on Telegram so it keeps its original quality without compression. If you've ever sent a photo on Telegram and noticed it looks slightly blurry or reduced in quality, that's because Telegram compresses images by default. The good news is there's an easy way around this. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Telegram and go to the chat where you want to send the photo. This can be a private chat, a group, or even a saved messages chat if you're just testing it. Next, you have two options. You can either take a new photo using your camera or tap on the gallery icon to select an existing image from your device. Go ahead and choose the photo you want to send. Now here's the important part. Instead of simply tapping the send button, tap and hold the send button. This will open a small menu with additional sending options. From that menu, tap on Send as File. Once you do that, Telegram will send the image as a file instead of a compressed photo. That means the image will retain its full resolution and original quality, which is perfect if you're sharing professional photos, documents, or anything where detail really matters. And that's it. Just remember, tap and hold the send button, then choose Send as File. It only takes a second, but it makes a big difference in quality. Try it out the next time you send an image and you'll immediately notice the improvement.